troubleshooting your fridge and freezer.
Now your cooling system here in the motorhome, you've got a fridge-freezer combination, so freezer at the top and fridge at the bottom. Now to get you started, open up both doors and here you'll find your control panel. If this light is red, then there's an issue. One of the most common reasons why your fridge will not work is because your motorhome is not on level ground, so avoid parking on uneven ground. I also use an app on my phone to see when I'm level. From everyone at Let's Go Motorhomes, we wish you an awesome adventure. Happy holidays and drive safely.